Hello, I am Sunil and today I want to share with you that is how we can create the first program in VS Code. So if you want to create the first program in VS Code, you have to open the VS Code, and before this what you need to do, you need to install that is the JDK, and then you have to create what that is the Java program. And if you want to create the Java program, so the very first what you need to do, first you need to install the JDK. And if you have installed the JDK, because I can share with you that is whether the JDK is installed or not, so you have to open your file explorer, and then in file explorer you can go into the C drive, and then in program files, and then after here you have to find the Java. I'll click on Java and then JDK 21 because I have installed it few months earlier. So it is your 21 version of the JDK, but if suppose you will install the latest, so that may be suppose the latest version nowadays it is that is JDK 22. Now here you have to check that this is the bin folder, and now in this bin folder you can check that is here we have the Java file, and one more important file is that is known as your Java C file. Now here this is application file, and here this is also, let's suppose Java, this is also application file. This Java C file is actually known as the Java compiler. So now this is actually the path, and you can check this path. You can say Control C. I have copied this path, and then what I need to do before suppose jumping into the JDK, you have to go for this PC and you have to set what that is the path, right? So you can go for properties, and then over here you can go for what advanced system settings. All of you are, few of you may be aware about it, and if you are not aware, you have to go for environment variables. Then here we have the system variables, and here we have the user specific, that is Sunil Guleri, and this is the system. So we will go for and set the system path. You can double click over here, and then you have to check whether it is set into the path. So it is already set into the path, and if you want to set, so then go for new and Control V, and we can paste here. You can say OK, and then you can say OK, and then you can say OK. So now this is the path is set into what that is the Java compiler and then Java interpreter also. Now after this, let's suppose you are going into the VS Code. So now in VS Code you have to very first, because you have to create the Java project in VS Code, and for that very first you have to open that is the view menu, and then you can go for command palette, and in command palette you can open it by pressing the shortcut keys also, which are displayed over here, or you click on this. Then after this you need to type here, that is what, because it is already written over here, otherwise you may have to write that is what create, and then you have to press here create what, create Java project. So if you will press here create Java project, so then after this you have to select here no build tools, because we are not using the inbuilt tools, and then here you have to select that is the particular folder where you want to what, you want to develop your Java projects. So I can type here any folder if suppose anyone existing folder is there. So what we can say, we can create a new folder in students folder, and we can say Java work. You can say Java work, and then I will select this folder, select the project location. I have selected this project location, and here you have to read each and every statement very carefully. So it is asking you to input a Java project name. So here you can input the Java project name. Let's suppose I'll type here that is the first, and you will press enter. जैसे ही आप enter press करेंगे, now what is going to happen, it has created the new window of VS Code, and then you have to close the previous one, and then you can double click over here. Now you can observe that is what, here we have the structure of what that is the Java project, and here we have the important folder, and that is known as your SRC, and in SRC the default file is created by the VS Code over here, and that is app.java. Now if you want to explore this app.java, so it is the default code which you get, and then now what do you have to do, you have to right click, and then you have to run the code, and to run this code you need to what check that is one extension, and that extension is known as your code runner. I have installed that, and if you have not installed it, so then you have to install this code runner extension. And if you want to make some settings, so you can go for what, that is the settings of this extension settings here, and then now here you have to set one you have to check this, that is what, clear previous output. So before running, suppose your output, it will clear the previous. Then next you have to go for few other settings. Let's suppose that is what, one is this, that is code runner run in terminal. You have to check this because by default it will be unchecked. And then I have made one other setting also, that is save while file before that is run. Save file before run means what कि if you will make some changes into this, अगर आपने कोई भी चेंजेस की हैं और आप जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पर मैंने चेंजेस किए हैं, सो यू कैन सी हियर, you can observe here, that is what, this is dotted and ellipse, that is what, filled ellipse. So it means your file is not still saved. If I right click and run the code, so it will save automatically, and you can see that is the output of your program. So it was, that is how we can write the first Java program in VS Code. So thanks for watching.